Ooh, ay, South African is flavor. It's originality. Amandla. Niyabasabana. Awe. Next question. Ndizozikhwekhwela indlela yam. Donyusa inyawo zam nikaphuma winza. Hey, how the assets my life got rich and far. I shake the bells of heaven to break the chains of hell. Egeleni mnaye ndiyambe, ndiyambe, izibonele. Egeleni mnaye ndiyambe, ndiyambe, egeleni mnaye ndiyambe, ndiyambe, izibonele. Egeleni mnaye ndiyambe, ndiyambe, izibonele. Shout out to Clash Collective, Genius Solution, DK, Toya Delacy, Mandy Sanduna, Moonshot Sanel, Nat Scratchers, Zagwe, Nessie C, Miracle, KZN Music and Bizo. Shout out to Festival Hip Hop Festival, motherfuckers. Tanda Gunene, Andy Swatamin. Yegeleni mnaye ndiyambe, ndiyambe, ndizibonele. Yegeleni mnaye ndiyambe, ndiyambe, ndizibonele. Diyegeleni mna, diyegeleni mna, diyegeleni mna, diyegeleni mna, diyegeleni mna, diyegeleni mna, diyegeleni mna. I respect my niggas. Nat Scratchers, Raheem. And goes. Oh my God! And goes.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
Analyzer!